In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to remove tags while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorx, Solidworks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. This powerful tool enables you to create customized learning paths and training programs tailored to PTC Creo users. In this video, we'll walk you through creating a knowledge path with relevant tags, starting with an overview of the Create or Edit Paths module. Start by clicking on the Create button in the Select Knowledge Path Type section. Here, you'll see two options: 1. Personal Knowledge Path and 2. Company Knowledge Path. For this demonstration, we'll choose Personal Knowledge Path. Next, you'll decide on the relationship type. For a None category knowledge path, no parent-child hierarchy is needed. This makes the path a standalone resource. Now, specify the knowledge path attributes. Enter a unique and descriptive name for your path, up to 90 characters. Optionally, add a brief description to provide context or link to external resources. When you're done, click Next to proceed. In the Add Tags section, organize your knowledge path by using relevant tags. Tags make it easier for users to find your content. You can choose from various tag options, such as video tutorials, help documents, enhancements, etc. All the tabs available in the Tags dashboard will be visible here. Note, if a tag is not created from the Insights engine, Tips and Tricks, or Product 360 module, these tabs will be empty, and you will not be able to create a knowledge path. Click on any tab to add tags to your knowledge path. For instance, in this case, we have selected the Video Tutorials tab. Each icon represents a tab, and the icon mentioned here represents video-related tags. Add tags by clicking on plus button. Here, you can see that 6 tags have been added successfully. If you mistakenly select the wrong tag, Punditas AI provides an option to remove it. To remove a tag, click the cross button. You can see that the planar symmetry during reconstruction tag has now been removed. Learn how to remove tags while creating or editing knowledge paths in Punditas AI for PTC Creo. Removing unnecessary tags enhances accuracy, improves user experience and optimizes search results. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.